Hello my friends, welcome back to the Saska channel. Today we're just gonna do a quick video on how to brake your brakes with a special product. Very simple, very straightforward. Just before we go on a ride. Yes sir, so let's go for it. Okay my friends, so this is the product, the Motul Brake Clean. Alright, it's supposed to decrease your brakes and your moving parts, so it will increase your performance, braking performance. I don't know about that, but we're just gonna try. Okay, so simply you just spread the product in your brakes and then clean them up. This is the Motul product. Let's shake it first and then just spread on the brakes. Just go around the other side. Okay, alright, you can see it. Alright, it seems like it evaporates and it's do the job. So let's let it dry for a while. Let's put some more. The pistons, and let's do the rear brake. I'm just gonna admire the beauty of this motorcycle. Alright, let's do in the brakes and the rear brakes. See if I can actually, you can see it. That is nice. Kind of funny smell to it now. Well, anyway, I think that's enough. And see if with a clean cloth, let's wipe out the residue. Okay. All right. There you go. All right. Let's do the same thing on the back of the brakes, the back brake, the rear brake. You don't see them very well because I have the suitcase on top. Okay, so this is it. Alright, such a wonderful bike. It's a wonderful, wonderful bike. Alright guys. Okay my friends, here we are, just riding the motorcycle. I just washed my brakes, as you have seen in the video, and see if that makes a difference. It's a wonderful day here in Madrid, so we're just gonna go to electricity and see how those brakes work. I haven't had the chance to test my brakes yet. I'm in the road. There's nobody on the road. It's great. You know, if you're a good rider, you know, I don't consider myself a great rider, just a rookie rider like anybody else. So I haven't had a chance to use my brakes yet. The sound of this motorcycle is amazing. At lower speeds, anybody can hear you. Love it. Oh, love it. Here, let me touch the rear brake. It feels better. It feels different. It feels more efficient. A little bit more efficient. Okay. Okay, let's go to the highway.
Actually, the brake, the rear pad, it felt much stronger. It felt a little bit better. More effective, more powerful. I like that. Probably was really dirty that the brake pads were not grabbing the brake plate properly. So, alright. Okay, here's the traffic light. Let's brake. Oh yes, my friend. Yes, touching the rear brake. Much better. Well, the front brake, much better. Oh yeah. Whoa. It makes a difference. It makes a difference. It really does. So now we are at the traffic light. Let's enter the highway and see how those brakes work. Okay. Actually, the rear brakes, I can see the difference. I can feel the difference much better in the rear brakes, really, than before. This is the first time I wash or clean my brakes, and I can say that it's worthwhile buying the product and decrease your brakes every 2 weeks or so to keep their efficiency and their strength, right, their braking power. Especially if you live like a city like Madrid with it's a lot of dust around. But I believe that that's worthwhile, you know, decreasing your brakes once in a while. I'm kind of surprised about the rear brakes. The front brakes, I haven't been able to touch them that much. But I'm just going to do that right now. I'm just going to brake next time. I will brake with my front brakes, see how they react. Here, I'm touching. Whoa! Wow, you have to be careful, man, because those front brakes, they go much better, more powerful. So you have to be careful. I just touched my front brakes and it brake right away. You know, the brake pads, they grab that brake and, you know, break them all up in a second. So I'm pretty happy with the product. I was surprised that it did make a difference. So, something that we have discovered is something that we can do to maintain our bike in proper conditions. Okay. Front brake. Woohoo! Oh, whoa, look at that. Whoa, yeah, nice. Front brake. Much better. Wow. Okay, we're getting close to another roundabout. Let's touch, whoa, the front brake. Whoa, yes. If you touch it, that's it. So, see? Just a simple touch, much better performance. You have a feel of much better control of your brakes. You feel more secure. That when you touch those brakes, they really work fine. So, before I wash my brakes or degrease my brakes, I had the sensation that the rear brake of this bike was kind of crappy. And actually, it's pretty good. After washing it, it's pretty good. And I think it has pretty good brakes. This Kawasaki Vulcan S. However, I still believe that the back brakes, they need to be improved. Okay? But that's me anyway. So this is it. Hopefully you enjoy it. Hopefully you learn. I learned a lot from it. And thank you for watching another video, Saska video. And I'll see you next time. Yes, sir.